Welcome to my channel. I am removing purple yam vine, purple ube yam. I am harvesting purple yam tuber, purple ube yam. If you live in a tropical place, purple ube tuber may develop to more than 100 pounds. I remember in my childhood, I dug up wild purple yams in the jungle. After they murdered my father, I had to fend for myself for survival. And I was just 5 years old. They took me into slavery. They physically, psychologically, and spiritually tormented me. I was a young boy, and they physically tried to turn me into a girl. I never surrendered my soul. The United States government rescued and saved my life. I am now living in the USA. I allow myself to be strong so that I can use my experience to help others. Here is a clip of how ube were grown from cutting. Toward the end of this videos, I have a link if you are interested in growing your own purple yam. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.